Okay, so here we are with the Radiomobile 201, which if you saw the repair video, the customer sent in with no transmit, which turned out to be dry joints, and then it received very well and does a full 4 watts. We'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Yep, I'm here, and this speaker on this radio sounds dreadful, but that's not my problem, over.
Oh, okay. Right, well, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station.
Roger on that. Got you at Lancaster service station. Viewers want you to tell me what the prices are. So when these videos go in back catalogues going back decades, they'll find that interesting, over.
What? Sorry, go again.
You know when you pass the petrol station, they'd like to know what the price is of petrol and diesel.
Oh, right, petrol and diesel. Right, well, I wouldn't know Lancaster services because for some reason they go home at 7 o'clock.
So what we're going to do is when we get to Roresby Level Crossing, there's a petrol station, which is a top whack petrol station, and you'll be able to announce the price of that one. So in future we're going to try and do both when we can, and then they'll see what the prices are, which will be quite amusing, over.
Yeah, Roger that, right. Just passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, got you at Lancaster Crossroads. See how this gets new and improved every time.
Roger, well, it was the most expensive I've seen outside, let's say, a dual carriageway one there, when it was 189.9 for diesel at one point.
Yeah, I put 189.9 in response to his comment. We could go down to gonna be more. I mean, that'd be, what's that, 199 for diesel?
Yeah. Right, I just come up to the top of the hills, go down towards Wilford. Going back to when it was about 129, the one at Newark, the Shell on the roundabout, was 151.9. So I wonder what they're charging these days.
Roger. Right, I'm just going to plug the extension speaker in so people can tell what the radio really sounds like.
Roger.
Just say a quick hello on that.
Yep, Roger.
That's fine.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. That's excellent. I'm on a 1981 Radiomobile CB201, and that uses a Cybernet 135 chassis, and is doing a full 4 watts.
Roger, I'll receive.
Roger.
Right, I'm going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Now I noticed that this radio sounds better on its internal speakers. It's further away. When it was really close and in the driveway, it was pretty lousy. But it could well be, chances are it's going to be debris in that speaker. So when the customer does see the case, as long as he gets rid of that, it should be as right as rain.
Right, we're now passing Selby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. The radio has come from the customer with a communicator mic, which is the LCL communicator NI440DX microphone, and we'll go to this at the end in case it works. It's got a hole in it, but he'll fix that himself.
Right, now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger got you at the Grayleys turn. And as I always say, that's our worst one. That's the 5 mile point, and it's just a bit lower, and there's a tree surrounding. Remember this whole test, once he's gone over 2 miles, it's the wrong side of a hill. So we've got this big hill between me and him after the 2 mile point. That's the whole point of the test. If I sent him out to Nottingham, we'd be getting 35 miles, which is would be expensive on fuel, wouldn't it? Yes, and we now need to know the price at the Troops petrol station.
As a what?
That petrol station over.
That's just said it's closed.
Oh, I missed that bit, sorry. So the petrol station's closed. Well, one day we'll find it's open. Thanks for the test.
I mean, we're a bit late today. That wouldn't normally be open, so we'll see you now.
Roger, 10-10. Right, so we didn't get the petrol prices. It's going to be a bit of silliness there, but we do these tests at 7:30. It's gone 8 o'clock today. You know, the trouble is doing these in the evening, work commitments, all that kind of stuff. We can't always cram that information in. So I'm going to go over to our base station. Then we'll swap mics and we'll see what that the communicator mic sounds like. So we'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Radiomobile CB201 from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is on a standard replacement microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, none. Well, we'll go over to the communicator's microphone as supplied. Into the microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.